Hey everybody and welcome. Today we are releasing the new version of RekordBoxer 0.2.0, which brings a lot of restructuring to the way that you can configure actions. Let's take our old workflow of taking a track and then setting a cue point at the drop. So we'll set our cue D at the main drop. And now we want to configure an action to color, label, and add other cue points based on this first cue point. So to do that, we'll just go and open RekordBoxer and click Open Web UI. Notice that you can again see all the tags that are available for this track. You can also play it. And to configure your actions, right now you can see we have no actions. We go to Settings and click Add Action. Now we can edit our action, give it a name. Or let's call it drop and pre-drop. Now our action needs a couple of steps. So the first step will be to take our cue point and change its color to blue. So we're gonna select change cue, we're gonna change the D hot cue, and we're gonna change the new color to blue. We're gonna also label it drop. Now the next step will be adding a cue point, and we're going to add the QC. We're going to make the location relative to our QD, so based on that, and we're going to make it 64 bars before. Our new clue will get a label, and it will get a color. Finally, we click Save Config, and the configuration is saved. Now let's go back to all tracks, and our track selection is currently using the selected my tag. So everything that is tagged selected will show up here. Now we can also see that our action is listed here now, so we can just trigger it, and we can see that our drop has been made blue, labeled, and a pre-drop cue point has been created. If we want to accept that, we can click yes. And as usual, of course, we can run this action. We can select which action we want to run on all the tracks in the current track selection, and this can be based either on the selected my tag or on any of your playlists that you want to deal with. So this is a quick update onto how the new settings page works to configure your actions and to build the types of cue point configurations you would like to use for your tracks.